What's up, fellow polymaths? In this video, the Java Fundamentals tutorial, we'll be going over polymorphism. Polymorphism is one of the most fundamental parts of object-oriented programming. Polymorphism allows an object to have many different forms. This is due to the ability of inheritance. For example, think of a superclass called animal that has a method called talk. Subclasses of animals could be cats, dogs, and birds, and they'll also have their own implementation of talking, such as the dog barking and the bird tweeting. All objects in Java are polymorphic, since any object inherits either its own type or the type of a parent. And remember, in a previous tutorial back, we discussed superclasses and subclasses. So polymorphism is an aspect of that. It's important to know that the only way to access an object is through a reference variable. A reference variable can be of only one type. Once declared, the type of reference variable cannot be changed. So you can think of reference variable as the object that is used to create from a class. The reference variable can be reassigned to other objects provided that it's not declared final. The type of the reference variable will determine the methods that it can invoke on the object. A reference variable can refer to any object of its declared type or any subtype of its declared type. A reference variable can be declared as a class or an interface type. Polymorphism makes code more reusable and modular, which helps in preventing repetitive code, as well as code that is versatile. So now that we have an understanding of polymorphism, let's go into the code and test things out. Alright, so here we're in the code editor, and here we're in the animal class. And so this animal class, we're just going to create a method that doesn't return anything, so it'll be a void. And then this will be a talk method, so basically the animal talking. Not talking like us humans, but talking in the way that animals would talk. So basically making sounds. We can say here, the animal is verbally communicating. Alright, so we created our talk method inside the animal class. Now we're going to create some subclasses that are from the animal class. So we'll create a dog class, and then we'll create a bird class. Alright, so we create our two other classes, a dog class and a bird class. So this dog class, we're going to extend the animal class. So all you have to do is just say extends animal right after the public class dog. And then since we've extended that animal class, we have the ability to override that talk method from the animal class. So here we're going to create our own version of the talk method. And in this case, we'll just say woof woof. Alright, so now that we've done that, then we can just copy this. Now in the bird class, we're also going to extend the animal class as well. And we can just paste this method right here. Of course, we have to change what the bird says. It doesn't bark like a dog. So we just say tweet, tweet. Of course, this you have different types of birds like ducks, eagles, and so on. So each bird is going to be different with what it says, but we're just keeping things simple for now. Now we've overridden methods for the dog and the bird class from the animal class. We're going to go into the main class and then call those methods that we overridden from the animal class. So now we're going to create an animal object. Then we're going to create a dog object. Also, just for your information, the name of the object doesn't have to match the name of the constructor. You can name the object whatever you want, as you remember from previous tutorials. And animal bird equals new bird. Alright, so now we're going to call those methods. Each object is going to call those methods that are from the class that it's in. So we say animal.talk, and then dog.talk, and then bird.talk. So when we run this, we get our results. So we see on line 10, when that talk method is called, it says the animal is verbally communicating. Number 11, the dog says woof woof, and number 12, the bird says tweet tweet. So that's a brief overview of polymorphism. There's definitely more to go once we go over concepts such as interfaces and so on. All right, here's our assignment for this topic. Number 1, true or false? Parent objects are polymorphic. Number 2, name 2 benefits of polymorphism. Number 3, create 2 classes, one parent class and one child class, where the child class overrides the parent class. If this video was of any value to you, then please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.